cartoning machine for tissue paper packaging. User-friendly structure and interface, making operation easy and intuitive. Equipped with 7 servo drives, providing reliable and stable performance. Feeding module configured with 3 detection sensors, ensuring that box erecting is synchronized with material feeding. Rotating box opening unit, making that boxes are opened smoothly. Double-servo pushing unit, realizing that product is positioned accurately. Automatic glue spraying and flat folding mechanism, reaching capacity up to 3,000 to 6,000 boxes per hour. Soontrue has rich experience and great ability in machinery manufacturing. Advanced factory ensures high product quality and short lead time. Strong team make our deliveries always exceed customer satisfaction.